This protocol provides a reliable method to synthesize bismuth oxyiodide microspheres, which are photocatalytically active under visible light irradiation. Here we present the key parameters that result in a successful synthesis of this kind of 3D structures via the solvothermal method.
One of the main advantages of this method is that by varying key parameters, such as temperature and time of heating, it is possible to obtain different structures. Microspheres, slaves, flower-like structures have been obtained, for instance.
Through this method, it is possible to obtain photocatalytically active materials which have demonstrated to efficiently remove organic pollutants, bacteria, and even heavy metals in polluted waters. To a higher scale, it is possible to use photocatalysis to clean water for human consumption. This method can provide some insights on the synthesis of other bismuth-based materials which have been reported as efficient in other catalysis reactions, such as the oxidation of carbon monoxide, as well as in artificial photosynthesis.
To start preparing solution 1, dissolve 2.9 grams of bismuth nitrate pentrahydrate in 60 milliliters of ethylene glycol in a glass beaker. For solution 2, dissolve 1 gram of potassium iodide in 60 milliliters of ethylene glycol in a glass beaker. Use a micropipette to add solution 2 to solution 1, drop by drop at a